Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Paul Martin. I was a glass processor technician here in Farquhar, Auckland. I just arrived here in New Zealand on February 20 this year. But before that, I was working in Middle East in United Arab Emirates. Uh, now, Recruit NZ has given me a chance to, they give me a privilege and opportunity, a very good opportunity to work here in New Zealand. Recruit NZ, they are the one who just find employer, arrange the appointment like interview and some discussion. And after that, when I just hired by the employer, Recruit NZ, they are the one who arrange everything like processing, food, transportation, even the house, there everything arranged in place. So I would like to thank the Recruit NZ for that, and I was so amazed because they are helpful, not also in helpful, but in terms of updating what's the status, they are all accurate in the result. So now, when now I was working here in New Zealand, I have the opportunity to give, not also for me, but my family. I can also bring them here like immigrant worker to be with them. And once again, I would like from the on my behalf, I would like to thankful again the Recruit NZ for doing such very helpful and cooperating recruit agency based here in New Zealand. Thank you again. Have a nice day.